Making Spiderman, and this is how to do a backflip, and we're here with Matthew from the Bible. So I'm going to use him to teach you how to do it properly. Alright?
Made by a radioactive mosquito.
A mosquito web, not a spider web.
It gave him amazing powers to help others and to create excitement.
Spiderman from Portland.
Yeah. First thing first, you have to stretch to avoid injuries. So all the way hands up, and your toes, and your tip, like that. We're gonna go for the toe touch. Oh no. But it is a stretch where you have to do the stretch, like that. Hamstring stretch, toes up, stretch, around like that, backwards, and then you do the wrist. One way, the other way. Another good stretch too is to stretch the neck. You drop your neck to the side like this, and the arm, you're gonna put your arm up, right? And you lean to the side like that. Don't bend it nearly. Then to the other side, lean. Nice, and that's some basic stretches. So now, let's demonstrate. Matthew, give me a backflip. Nice. Nice. That is what you will be learning today. Now this is the first step of a backflip. Put your arms out in front, straight in front like this. Legs together, like that. You're gonna bend down while your arms go back like this. And then you're gonna jump straight up in the sky like this. Put your shoulder as high as you can, reaching for the sky like that. So what we're gonna do is like this. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all we're gonna do. So you reach as high as you can with your shoulders. You're gonna come back down, grab both knees, and let them go, and then land. Example. Try it. That's incorrect actually. Look, you're supposed to do it like this. Land back like that. Try it. Hands out, down, up. Grab your legs straight back. Now you're not supposed to like stagger like that. Yeah, you're supposed to stand up firm like a man. Come in, Matthew. Let's go again. Stand up, boy. Stand up. And then the thing about this one is, when you jump, you're not supposed to lean your head back. If you lean your head back, that engages the flip and you might fall on your head. So make sure you jump and keep your head in front. Find something to look on. This is what you're supposed to look like. Stand up like that. So make sure you learn that properly, and it's supposed to be easy to you before you move on to the next step, which is this. Now get somebody strong to stand behind you and put their arm on your arm. So, right? And then I'm going to do the same step. But this time them can add the head to it. Cool? Alright, watch it. Nice. And you put them back on them feet. Right? Firm and strong. Yeah. One more. Nice. After you learn that and you get confident. Now when you're confident in the flip, then you move on to the next step.
Did we lie down for
No. They ask the man, what's the next step? The man said just go over. Him ready for kill him off, you know? Jeez. Alright, the next step is go over. For real. When you get brave, now you need, I typically have two persons. The two persons, you have one on this side, one on the other side. Now, you put one hand here and you hold on pan in pants. You have to do that. You have to hold on pan in pants so you don't drop and kill yourself. And make sure this is two strong persons. So you use the right hand, if you're on the left side, use the right hand, hold the pants, and the left hand will hit the leg like this and rotate him, and then you hold him like this for landing. Let me show you what I mean. Ready? Alright. Nice and easy. After you master that step and you feel confident like this too easy, like you can just do it, the next step is to use one hand. Okay? Next step is get one hand. You're supposed to can do this, but now you hold the pants. So go on. Go. Nice. And if you do that one and you land like this, it means you're not ready and you should continue practicing, alright? Then if you pass that step, next step is what I call the backhand. So you put your hand like this right behind them back to give him height, because most people actually have problems jumping high. Yeah, so you just support them back. So when them jump, you kind of lift them up like this. Let me show you. Ready? See it? And that's the closest step to actually learning a backflip on your own. Now you need to do that many times. Again, I can't help to stress this. You have to do this until you feel like it's too easy and you're tired of it. Yeah? Then you move on to the next step. You just have to start and say that it's too much. Yeah, it's never that much for us. I learn, we just wing it and drop on face, drop on head. Next step is for them to do it, but you just stand here. So you're gonna just stand here to support. If you see them doing anything wrong, you can just grab them. You have it. You see it? Next step, you can do it on your own. Yeah, don't fall up on your face like him though, yeah? Tips that will help you. These are tips that can help you improve your backflip. Now, where height is concerned, it's best to keep your eye on something. Yeah, keep your eye on something. Anything with the front of you, even if it's a girl, you look on her good. You see it? Look, say one girl like this, so look in her face, Matthew. That is it. I say, yeah, feel me. Yeah, feel me. You say it now, Matthew. One girl, see girl live, body life. You know,
Yeah, feel me.
Ah, see it there? Alright, nice. So, you keep your hand, your eye straight, looking at something, a tree or whatever you want to look at. And when you jump, you try to jump straight up. And right before you do the flip, this is after you learn the flip. Right before you do the flip, then you just do the rotation. So you try not to jump back too much. Yeah? Try to jump straight up, eyes in front, until you feel like you reach your peak. Then you do the rotation. Yeah? By pulling your legs up to your face like this, landing firm and strong like a real man. So what not to do? Tell me one thing you're not supposed to do when doing a backflip.
Don't drop my head.
So number one rule, don't drop on your head. Because I never me tell you if you do it. You decide to do it. Alright? Because this is dangerous stuff. What's the second rule?
Don't jump back, you have to jump up in the air.
Alright. It's not really jumping backward. What the worst thing you can do is actually jump forward. Never do this. Because if you do this, you're going to do this. You're going to swipe your face in the ground. And you don't want that. Okay? Eh? You can, but as a beginner, you're not supposed to do that. That's going to kill you. When you learn it and you have it now, you can start doing other things. Huh? Yeah, I can do it. You see? Tell you, see that? Him drop on his face. It's a living proof. Do not try it until you get it good and properly. Never hesitate when you're going to do it. If you're going to do it and you're like, you know I'm not about to do it, you're dead. Please make sure you feel confident before you try it. If you have to swing your hand like 1,000 times until you're ready, do that. Yeah, because if you hesitate or you change your mind in the middle of the air, radam, you're going to feel it. You're going to pay for it. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. By the time you go through all those steps, you're supposed to have it. It's not that hard. Yeah, you just have to keep trying and don't give up. Because sometimes you will be doing it for a long while and you don't feel no progress. But don't give up. Continue trying and one day you will get it. Yeah? Alright, so again, I'm Jamaican Spiderman. This is Matthew Dan. That was your backflip tutorial. Peace out. Make sure you remember to subscribe, like and comment on the videos. Yeah man.